Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the background of any image for absolutely free just by using your mobile phone. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to your browser and search for online background remover. And you'll be getting the first link as remove.bg. Just click that. And here, just click on this upload image and select the image which you want to remove the background and just click on done. It will take some time to remove the background of your image. So this is how it looks after the background has been removed, and if you want to do any other changes you can just click on erase or restore, or if you want to take it to a Canva design you can just click on create Canva design. And for downloading we have two options, one is normal download and download HD. If you click on download HD you need to sign in, so if you don't want to sign in you can just click on normal download and your image will be getting downloaded. This is how the background removed image appears. It looks super cool. And that's the video guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.